How does it feel to be bringing this magical world back after nearly 30 years?
Yeah, it's
It
incredible.
was a bit like coming home a bit.
Yeah.
Visiting relatives.
Yeah, it's like
Good
putting
ones.
on a cozy sweater. Because everybody is so lovely, you know.
Yeah, what can fans expect then from this movie?
I think I'm very touched by how emotionally affected people were about the last one, and hopefully they'll get a similar depth of response. I mean, that's what we're aiming at, is to fulfill the expectations of these wonderful fans that made this thing happen.
That made this happen. Without them, there wouldn't have been a Practical Magic 2.
And what is it like creating the chemistry between your characters? Because we love to see it.
Well, we like each other.
We like each other.
We've known each other a long
time. That we have to make. It's just, we're two old witches.
Yeah.
I love
And proud of it.
And proud of it.